Alright, YouTube fans, Chris with the 1990 Pontiac Firebird. I have recently had a major fallback with my car. Unfortunately, it just stalled midstream while I was driving. I've done a couple different things to try and see if I can find out the problem, but basically what happened is I have no spark. So I've changed a couple things. I changed the coil there, no spark. I changed the map sensor, no spark. So finally everything I've come down to, and I'm going to post this on my site, will be the electronics for this. And basically the last thing that comes down to is the ignition control sensor. Now there's another guy out there that posted something on it, and I looked at his video, and his video entailed taking out the entire distributor. Okay, the entire distributor does not need to come out for this. Okay, I basically have gotten in and out of it. I mean, basically it entails taking the distributor off. If you look right here, you'll see that it's very, very simple. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Here's the old one, okay? The old one, as you can see, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to drop it in there. Basically sits just like this. Okay, it has two screws, and basically it has three connections. You do not need to take your whole distributor out. It's insanely not necessary. Okay, I'm gonna put this in, the new one in, and I have it right here. I've got the paste on it already, ready to go, and hopefully be able to share what I'm talking about as far as the three connections and being able to put it together without a lot of hassle. Unfortunately, I have very little room to work over here, so the old one coming out. The new one. First thing I'm doing is grabbing a wire, this one here, connect on here like so. All right, now once that's on there, it's a matter of putting the screws on. Well, we're going to do the other two connections too. Alright. Can you see that? Those three on there. And now we're just going to put the screws in.